Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fork a repository in GitHub. Now let's get started.
First, open your Google Chrome web browser and head over to GitHub. If you've got it bookmarked as I do, even better. Now, once you're on the home page, go up to the search bar and look for any repository you're interested in. For this example, I'll just search for something like Audio GPT. Pick any project that catches your eye and click to open it. Take a second here, you'll see the code, the files, and maybe some documentation. This is the original repository, and if you don't have permission to edit it directly, no worries, that's completely normal. Now look at the top right corner and you'll see a button called Fork. Go ahead and click it. GitHub will ask you to confirm a few details, like the repository name and where you want to create the fork. After you're done, click Create Fork. Give it a few seconds and it will be forked. Click on your profile icon in the top right, then go to your repositories. And there it is, your forked version sitting right there in your account. From here, you can edit files, test new ideas, fix bugs, basically do whatever you want without touching the original project. And when you're ready, you can even submit a pull request to suggest your changes back to the original repo. And that's how you fork a repository in GitHub.